Sans? Sans, wake up!
What is it, dude?
A human has fallen from the surface world!
Really? And you got a bone to pick with him?
No time for puns!
Come on, that was a real rib tickler. Hey!
Enough!
Alright, here we go again.
Welcome to the underground!
How was the fall?
If you wanna look around,
Give us a call.
we don't see humans often.
We're happy you just dropped in.
I'll be so popular when I show all the monsters what I just brought in.
Hey, Papyrus, mind your manners.
Can it, Sans? No time for banter!
Excuse my brother, he's a bit eccentric.
You're just lazy and apathetic!
Call me what you want, I got thick skin.
Another bad joke and I'm finished with him! We are monsters, the awfulest kind!
To mess with us takes a lot of spine.
Relate to your determination, because we monsters have our motivations. You meant betrayed us and left us burning. One day we'll make our way back to the surface. Through all your travels, your sins will follow. Your consequences aren't easy to swallow. Who's the real monster? Now you should know. You've got this story down to the bone.
Really, Sans?
What?
The last line of the chorus is a pun!
Yup.
You imbecile! That was very clever!
Thanks, buddy.
You're stuck in the underground!
Thanks to the fall.
Good luck ever getting out!
Prepare to brawl.
Could show mercy to us!
Or turn all of us to dust.
Is your heart full of evil?
Or full of love.
I, the great Papyrus, challenge you to try getting by us!
Test the human with one of your puzzles.
Brilliant, Sans, that will leave him befuddled! I dare you to try a bite of spaghetti!
Smells like the creepy pasta's ready.
Stop it, Sans! I'm done with the joking!
Sounds like someone's funny bone's broken.
Relate to your determination, because we monsters have our motivations. I am the mastermind, he's my accomplice. Your moon is still alive because I made a promise. You'll lose your mind when you wander for hours. You might even decide to start talking to flowers. Who's the real monster? Now you should know. You've got this story down to the bone.
Someday I'll join the royal guard. When I catch this child, can it be that hard?
If I'm being honest, my brother ain't nothing but harmless. I know you and all that you want. You get a lot more from saying that I'm fun. The deeper you go, the messier it gets. If I had it my way, you'd already be dead. Kidding, if you couldn't tell, I get so bored I amuse myself.
Down here in the underground,
You're all alone.
we wanted to tell you now.
You're kinda boned.
If you survive this prison,
Will know nihilism.
don't mess around with monsters.
They're scared of tiny children.
You've come far, but soon you'll stumble when I stump you with some junior dumble.
Not so sure you'll get 'em with that.
Alas, I'll hit him with my special attack. Leave me alone.
You know I got a knack for the trombone.
One more pun and I'll be done.
But ain't two skulls better than one?
We can relate to your determination, because we monsters have our motivations. You know your story's already been told. We can play again if you sell your soul. I've got my eye on you, so you just watch it. I'll find any skeletons inside your closet.